My name's Hart, and today I thought I'd put some pictures together of jobs that I've been to in the past. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to give me some feedback, and with the different pictures that I put on, if you are a gas engineer, if you could tell me what you would do, if you'd have been to these jobs, and maybe how you would class them as well. And then what I'll do is, if people are interested, I'll do a follow-up video, and I'll tell you what I did on these jobs and which ones got new boilers and which ones got repaired, etc. So I'll show you some of these pictures now. So the Morrison's bag on this had been put over the board by the customer because it had been leaking. The boiler was leaking, it was spraying water all over. So it was to protect the boiler, to protect the board. So this Remea boiler was just a boiler service. So I've just been called out to do a boiler service. It's the first time I've been to this boiler. So this one now, this is a Vicera, and I've been called out to no hot water, no heating. So the boiler's not working. So this next one, I just wanted to see if you know what this is and what this was for. So this next one's an Ideal Concord WRS. So I was called out to this because the boiler wasn't working. So I'll show you this one now. So this next boiler was called out to a water leak. So it was just dripping a little bit underneath the boiler. So I'll show you this one now. This is a Worcester Bosch boiler. So this glow one was no hot water. So that was the call out for it. But when I got there was no way of getting the case off. They boxed it all in. And just for fun, have a look at the reflection in the microwave. So this next one's just a water leak that we went out to. I just thought I'd throw this into the mix. So I went to replace a boiler, and this is what we found behind the boiler. Also, if you have a look at the flue, it's all foamed in as well. We installed a new combination boiler on this job, and when we run the tap, this is the colour of the water from the hot water. This is just another one where bricks were missing behind the boiler, and they'd actually put polystyrene in instead of the bricks. So we're called out to no heating and no hot water on this job, and the system was absolutely horrendous. Have a look at this pump. So on this, we were doing a new boiler on this job, and when I took the boxing off to update the pipes below, we found a hole in the gas pipe. So the nail from the boxing had been going into the gas pipe for all them years. So kitchen had been in for 10-15 years, and this is what it's like. I'll just show you now. So they're just a few of the pictures from some of the jobs that we've been called out to. If you find them interesting, please give them a thumbs up. And yeah, if you've got any comments, please add them in comments below. I'd be really interested to hear people's feedback on some of the pictures. Thanks for watching.